Using the product rule from the table of values, the differentiable functions f and g are defined for all real numbers as the value of f prime, g, and g prime for various values of s given in the table below. Now, question A. Let h of s equal f of s times g of s. We need to find h prime of 3, right? Before we're gonna find h prime of 3, we need to calculate h prime of s first, right? So we have h prime of s equals derivative of this one is going to be f prime of s times g of s plus g prime of s times f of s, right? Using the product rule, right? Now we substitute 3 for s, right? So I have h prime of 3 equals f prime of 3 times g3, right? Plus g prime of 3 times f of 3, right? Now substitute value f prime of 3, f prime right here, 3 right here. So the answer is 8, right? G of 3, g of s here and 3 here. So g of 3 is going to be -4. Plus g prime of 3, g prime right here, and g prime of 3 is -4. Times f of 3, f of s is here, and then f of 3 is 1, right? Now simplify. 8 times -4 is going to be -32 minus 4 is going to be -36, right? Now question B, we need to apply the product rule again. Now I need to rewrite this one a little bit, so it can be d over ds of s power of 1/2 times f of s, right? Then I'm going to apply the product rule. It's going to be derivative of s power of 1/2 is going to be 1/2 times s raised to the -1/2, right? And then rewrite f of s plus derivative of f of s times s power of 1/2, right? And then you substitute 4 for s, right? So it turns out to be, right? So it turns out to be 1/2 times 4 raised to the -1/2, right? Times f of 4 plus f prime of 4 times 4 raised to the 1/2, right? Now this guy turns out to be 1/2. Now 4 raised to the -1/2, I can bring it to the bottom. It becomes 4 raised to the 1/2, right? And then it turns out to be square root of 4, right? Now square root of 4 equals 2, right? So it's going to be 2 on the bottom right here. Times f of 4. But f of 4, we look at this one, f of s right here. F of 4 equals 10, right? Look. So right here, I just put 10. Plus f prime of 4. F prime of 4 is -1, right? Times 4 raised to the 1/2, which means square root of 4 equals 2, right? Now simplify. 10 divided by 2 is going to be 5, right? So it's going to be 5 over 2 minus 2, right? -1 times 2, -2. Now simplify, it's going to be 1/2. And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.